We are unveiling today the cabin interior of Spaceship Unity for the very first time. And this is something that we have been working on for years. And it signifies the final run to commercial service. It signifies that we are in the stage where we're putting the finishing touches on our entire customer experience. And so it's a huge day for the team. It's a huge day for the people who've worked so hard to design and build and fly the interior, and it's a huge day for the whole company.
This is where our astronauts are going to spend their time as they are weightless and up above the planet. And the detail and amazing design that has gone into this has been so thoughtfully and carefully prepared. It will have the astronauts in the perfect frame of mind and readiness to experience this life-changing moment and to fully remember it. As our founder, Richard Branson, often says, space is a journey. And this is a journey we are bringing to our future astronauts, and it will start before they arrive here at Spaceport America, and it will continue on. But the peak of that journey is going to be this space flight that departs from here. And the cabin is what is going to have folks so ready to make this experience become part of their lifelong memories.